Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video, but I want you to wait just for a second. I want to talk to the company for just a second. So this is Fifth Wheel electric scooter. Fifth Wheel is the company's name. And Fifth Wheel, I just want you to know this box is terrible. It's got patches all over it. It doesn't have your company name on it anywhere. You have no idea what is in this box. Your website really truly is not bad at all, but I do want to let you know that this is not professional. If you're going to send this to especially an influencer that's got 250,000 subscribers, this is not a good, first impression. You know what I mean? This is a walking billboard. You should see the boxes, look at my other videos on their boxes. They've got social media, they've got a bike like jumping over a hill, all kinds of different stuff here. And this is probably one of the worst I've ever seen in boxes, especially with all the patches. There's no branding, there's nothing on it. It's pretty grim. So now saying that, I just want you to know that, but I'm gonna get into this. Now, I hope you are watching. It sounds like you bought one of these. They are extremely inexpensive, and that's more than likely why you bought one, was it's affordable. So I don't know what they sent me, so I'm gonna open it up and take a look inside here, and we'll do a video. And I'll give you my opinion because I've been doing over 2,000 videos, and you are buying direct from China. So I just want you to know customer service can be a little bit challenging, warranties could be a little bit challenging, stuff like that. You get what you pay for. I just want you to know that. They did send this to me, so, but I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything to you guys. So right now, let's open this up. Putting a scooter together is 100% easy. I'm gonna talk to you, we're gonna go through it. It's not hard, I promise. When you do get it, make sure that you have a box opener and possibly a wire cutters. Keep the box if you can, because if you have any damage or any issues at all, you can just put it back in the box and ship it back to them. A lot of times I will open these up on the side to let you see how these are built, but I don't know if this is necessary. I have broke my ribs almost maybe 3 weeks ago now, so they're a little bit sore, so I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna do my best to show you what's inside this thing. Well, so far, it's a pretty looking scooter without hurting it, because it is plastic. And you got a little built-in trash can here. Alrighty. It's actually not a bad looking scooter. A lot of times, all you have to really do is put on the, come on over here. Okay, I got you. Simple enough. It's a little odd. I want you to see how that's done here in just a second. So come down here and take a look at this real quick. So when you put this together, put it down. So it's got this little clip right here. So lift this up and then make sure, because this thing was actually inside here. So I just want you to know, I lift this up and then locked it in. That's unique. That's not something I've ever seen before. This isn't bad. So next thing we're gonna do is, there is a little green wire right here. So we've got a little green wire right here and a green wire here. And it's got arrow to arrow. And I'll lock that in. And then let's push that down inside that hole. There you go. Perfect. And then we'll need to line up these holes right here and screw these in. And I am not gonna lie to you. I'm impressed with the box. Fifth Wheel, just fix your box, dude. If you're making good quality stuff like this, this is just shortchanging yourself. One thing I am missing, the charger and the screws. Oh, it's inside here. I think it's inside here. There we go. Boy, I was gonna get pissed. You're gonna send your customer stuff, but it's inside here. Just keeping it safe. Very minimal packaging. which I'm a huge fan of. Just be effective. It makes it light, easier to ship. All right, let's get in this box real quick. Let's see what's inside here. Huh, that's different. There's not a cooling, one of the screws to there. Dude, that screws right in to there's no block or anything. So one thing you probably want to do is have like a surge protector or something between this and that. But yeah, this is really unique. I'll show you where to plug it in. I bet it's right there, that little orange thing. Can you see that? There's your charger. They give you your little screws. So we'll put this on. Dude, this ain't bad, man. This is truly not bad. All right, so what I'm gonna do is screw those in. I don't think you need to see that. It is super simple. I'll show you one, and then I'll show you how to charge it. All right, come on. So we're gonna screw these up. So they give you a little screw. Thank you for doing that. Not every company will do that. And it does have blue Loctite on it, which is awesome. So you'll screw this one on. I wouldn't tighten these up. You got to put them all the way around it. It's going to feel a little bit cross-threaded because of that blue Loctite. That's kind of like a glue, but it's going to be just fine. Just get it started before you start locking them in. They're self-centering screws, so it'll center itself. But okay, I don't think you need to watch this part. We'll be right back, and I'll show you where to charge it, and then we'll look inside here and all the cool things that it offers. I just want Fifth Wheel to know that these are way too tight. I'm having to go back and forth on every single one of these. I don't know what is going on here, but that's insane. I don't know if the machining was wrong, but I had to switch to something a little bit beefier because I'm actually going to break that. But I mean, look at that. I mean, they're on straight too, but I'm actually struggling, so I'm going back and forth to make this work. So this is absolutely not right. I'm not going to put these on. That's just this is insane. But it definitely looks like it's being stripped. I know that you probably can't see that, but I'm not putting these on. You got to do better on this. That's not something that your customers should have to deal with. But anyway, I'm gonna get these on. I'm basically gonna just go back and forth because this is way freaking too tight. But anyway, I wanted to show you that. This is not good. Okay, so this is brand new. It's called the G11 Pro, and there is no information online for it right now. And they do come with apps, and the app is a 1.2 rated right now. A lot of these companies are not rated high at all for whatever reason. Most of the time, I can't even get them to work. I don't know if it's the case with this one, but anyway, let's get into this real quick. So right now, if you put your camera over top of this, it's going to pull up an app. This one here, the G11, does not have, it's not even on the website just yet, as of, doing this video. Man, dude, I wouldn't do this. Look at that. All that glue and stuff on there. This was a horrible idea. Don't do that. If this is new, can you see that? That's terrible. That's gross. Anyway, so you do a short press with this. All of them are the same. And let's see. That's pretty cool. So walking speed, eco, and all I'm doing is double tapping. Drive, and then that's the high speed. Now, this won't go. You have to push off and then give it gas. I just want you to know that this won't happen. And if you have this won't happen either. Let's see. So that lights come on. That's cool. Do you see that? Just a single tap. Hold a long press. We'll turn it off. A short press. We'll turn it on. All right, so it does have turn signals. And I can imagine you can turn this off. Where's oh, it's right here. That's cool. It's on the front too. Nothing in the back. The brake lights work. How do you turn it off? Okay, just push it. You got a little bell, nice grips. So hopefully you understand that. This will not take off until you have to push off with your foot for this to take off. Here's your battery. I do want to show you this. This is where you charge it. A couple things down here real quick I want to show you. So right here is where you charge it. It has a little electricity bar here. You plug it in right there. And there's a little clip right here that this actually will lock into. Let me just show you real quick. I'm going to pull this down. And then this hooks into there so you can actually pick this up. And it can be stored away. You can close that. Let me see. How do you push this in? Okay, I got you. And then pull this in and then lock it. All right. All right, so what do we think about this? Honestly, not a bad, inexpensive. I don't even know the price, but all of these are fairly cheap, $3.99, different stuff like that. They haven't given me much information on this. And fifth wheel, be careful sending influencers products until you're 100% on certain stuff. It can hurt you, I promise you that. I've been known to shut companies completely down off my reviews. I don't think this is nothing bad. Your box sucks. You need to work on your machining here. That is not good. It looks like your app is at a 1.2. You might want to look into that on your IT side of it. But other than that, just an inexpensive, just get you around type scooter. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. And if you want one of these, I'll put it in the link in the description. And if you like honest reviews, hit all the buttons. I appreciate it if you do that. If not, thanks for watching. And if you do get one of these, let me know in the comments on what your experience with it is. I do not own this company, so I want you to know that. I'm getting a lot of emails or text messages on YouTube on the comments saying, give me the link like I own the company where I can get this, part or something like that. I'm just influencer, just reviewing this type of stuff. So I don't own this company. Just a heads up right there. It says there's a footprint. This is all plastic back here, so don't step on that. It's got shocks on the front. Anyway, I do like it. There's nothing really wrong with it. Inexpensive. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.